So the NPV formula, it's easy to be constructed. What you have to do is pick up a cell, put an equal sign, and type NPV, and you see a drop-down menu NPV. Click on that, and they are going to give you a hint. The first variable you need to have in the formula is the expected rate of return or interest rate. So in this exercise, you were given 5% as the expected return. So click on the cell B2, put a comma, and then the second variable will be your net inflow over years. So what you need to do is push the mouse on cell C3, and then without releasing the mouse, and extend until the last years of your investment, which will be the year 5. And then that will give you the net present value for the net. But remember, you also have to deduct the investment for the project, because that's how much money you spend on the project initially. So you have to go into the cell, formula area, put a cross sign, and then add the cash outflow, which was already a negative value, and hit the enter key. That will give you a net present value. So you pay attention to the formulas. That's a formula you will need to use in order to calculate the net present value.